Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gain. So AMC, GME, mean stop territory, they is in trouble now, guys. Because let me tell you something. Once one start doing it, once one person succeed, the other one start doing it, and they start seeding, and it start trickling down on them. That's just for instance. Before we even get into it, guys, I know a lot of you know about what happened at the Travis Scott concert when all those, RIP to those people, passing away at a concert, just going somewhere to have fun. But a lot of lawsuits was taking place. A lot of families feel as if, things need to happen for what had happened at that concert, guys. And not to, get off subject, get off topic. But y'all know this is my channel. I'm going to talk what I want to talk about. But this kind of, example to lead into this is what we about to talk about. So anyways, at that concert, once one lawsuit go through, if one family, actually get approved and they get paid, get a settlement for what happened to their child or their, their family member at that concert, then the other ones is going to feel entitled as well, which they are. Meaning, I'm just saying they're going to feel like, hey, where mine's at? I need my money too. They got paid. So that means, everybody is going to get paid. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys, so you can understand what I mean. Robinhood must pay nearly $30,000 over meme stock trading halt. The Robinhood, in January 2021, stock trading app Robinhood infuriated users when it responded to surging trades of so-called meme stocks by halting trades, effectively preventing users from selling shares until the price has collapsed. Exactly how that sounds. That's exactly what they did, guys. Took out the buy button, stopping you from buying more so the price couldn't go up more, but it would make the price collapse because the only thing you could do was sell. You couldn't buy, you couldn't do nothing. It was either sell or hold. And who in the hell in their right mind is going to hold something that don't supposed to be at $300-400? It's only there because of people buying it and because of the, the FOMO, the fear of missing out and all that. Who the hell is going to continue to hold it at that point? You know it's about to crash because you're thinking about what everybody around you is thinking. Like, oh, everybody else is thinking sell because they can't buy. They ain't about to just hold and wait for the buy button to come back. No, that don't make sense. So anyways, like that was the most effed up, most messed up thing anyone could do to anyone, guys. They just couldn't take it. They couldn't take it because it ain't like if they was going long and they just lost $1 million, $2 million, they wouldn't have cared. Whatever would have happened. But like I said, going short, that's why companies that been shorting stocks over the past 2 decades is no longer shorting no more because of us. That's what type of noise we is making out here for real. So you already know, guys, don't feel bad, don't feel nothing just because AMC is down right now, because we steady getting where we going, and little things like this happening is going to help us get there. So let's take a look at this, guys. So on January the 6th, and our arbitrator for Financial Industry Regulator Authority ruled in favor of 27-year-old truck driver Jose Batidas' May 2021 complaint that the restriction caused him to lose significant amounts of money. Finding the stock trading app owes him nearly $29,500 in restitution. FINRA has previously slapped Robinhood with roughly $70 million in penalties for system outages in March 2020. Issuing false or misleading information to investors and failing to abide by rules designed to protect investors. The Security and Exchange Commission also fined the company $65 million in 2020 on similar grounds. But according to MarketWatch, this is the first time any retail investor complaints specifically related to the 2021 meme stock restrictions have resulted in a monetary judgment. That perhaps because previous attempts to get the company to pay up have relied on elaborate theories. Robinhood halted the trades in order to please partner Citadel Securities, its prime market maker. Exactly, guys. That's exactly right. So the exact nature of Robinhood's relationship with Citadel attracted attention from both angry investors and members of Congress. FINRA has previously concluded the accusations of collusion had no merit. So guys, he is most definitely getting compensated $30,000 for his losses, guys. And like I said, once one person succeed and he getting his money back, getting paid, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a domino effect. Once one succeeded, many more will come behind and succeed as well, guys, with getting their money back that they are owed back into their accounts. So I do believe that is only right because, you know, what had happened, I don't believe people should just be getting their money back. I believe people should be getting locked up. Somebody should be going to jail. Something big should be happening. You know, give me my money back. And plus, we need